Hi there, it's Greg Tardif. If you're watching this, it means I shaved my mustache. If you're watching this, you can probably already see I've shaved my mustache. I did it as a birthday present to myself. I turned 35 years old and I wanted to try and look as young as possible. So I shaved the mustache off, probably also shaved about 10 years off. I'll let you be the judge though. But the point of the video isn't necessarily to just brag that I look a lot younger now that I don't have a mustache. More of the point of the video is to help you through it. So if you're watching this, there's a good chance you either have a mustache and are thinking about shaving it, or are thinking about growing a mustache. But if there's somebody talking about shaving the mustache, what am I getting myself into? Well, here's the thing. I've had 5 or 6 mustaches just over the course of this last year. It's not something that ever stays away for too long. If you're thinking about growing one and you never have, I think it's worth a shot. I want to see what you look like with a mustache, or if you can even grow a mustache. I've got a couple friends that struggle with the ability to grow facial hair, but they can't have all the cards because they can grow a full head of hair, whereas mine's kind of receding. So points to them for that, points to me for being able to grow pretty fantastic mustache. So if you're watching this and thinking about shaving your mustache too, and you have one now and you want to shave it, what I usually do is sleep on it, then I wait a couple more days, and if I still want to, I sleep on it one more night, and then if I wake up that next day and say, yeah, it's time to shave it, then I'll shave it. One of the big contributing factors to why I shaved my mustache is I use a CPAP. Helps me sleep, helps my wife sleep, make sure I don't die in my sleep. And the mask on that needs to be pretty, airtight against your face. And when you get kind of a bushy mustache, there can be air gaps. So you hear like leaking sounds all night, or like the air will just blow right into my eyeballs and I wake up with really dry eyes. And overall quality of sleep was pretty terrible. So that's one of the main contributing factors, besides looking a lot younger, to why I shaved my mustache. And I think, overall, I look pretty good without one. I look pretty good with one. Solid 8, solid 9, respectively. And my wife appreciates that I don't have a mustache. She doesn't like it. So I said goodbye to the mustache, hello to 35, and here we are today telling you why I shaved it. And if you're thinking about shaving it, just, think about it for a couple days and then kind of go from there. But that's really the only thing I really wanted to cover tonight. But if you have any other questions, or, want to share your thoughts, please feel free to put those in the comments. I'll respond to them when I get the opportunity. But I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.